I really want to eat this so bad.
耶！哪里有想我吗？
想你。
I just ordered something online. I ordered, I forgot English. It's called Tteokbokki and gyoza. Like dumpling, rice cake, this kind of thing. I really like it, but I don't know English. I don't know, this is my first time. I really want to eat one thing in Canada. I really want to eat this so bad. I really want to eat Korean rice cake, and in Taiwan I want to eat this. My mom was like, okay, let's buy the ingredient and let's cook this. But now I suddenly want to eat it in the night. So I only can order it online, and I only find one shop that sells Korean rice cake, and it's really expensive, I think. But it's bigger than I thought, so I think that's okay. So let me open it.
One is dumpling. I haven't eaten dumpling for a long time. And this one is the thing I want to eat, and we have to open it. One is, yay! I really miss this.
I'm gonna take some photos for my mom. And today I did so many things. We are the campaign for president and the director of student union. And I'm director's manager. In these 2 weeks there are many events. We have to do many things for the campaign. I don't know, today I talked to so many people. Oh my god, it's the rice cake. I don't know how to say it in Korean. Like rice cake. I'm so happy now. Next time if I will go to a grocery store, I will take it to them if they have frozen rice cake or not. If they have it, I can make it by myself and it will be more cheaper. Can this bowl be microwaved? Because I want to add some cheese. Yeah, it can be microwaved. Okay, I'm going to add some cheese. Yeah, oh my god, I can add cheese.
Okay, I add some cheese now.
Let me try this. I'm in Taiwan. I like it, but not super like it. I don't know, because maybe it's because it takes so long to eat. I think it's good. I don't know. I always use like that, but I saw that people use like this. I don't know. I want to cook some noodles to add in this because I have this noodles. Is it okay to add in it? Maybe I can try it. It's not really spicy. It's a little bit sweet, if I like it. Because I cannot eat like too spicy. I'll have so many. I have already had lots of acne. I have no confidence without masks. And my friends were so angry. He would force me to take off the mask. You know what? Before I came to Canada, my favorite song of Life is actually Life. But the flight I came to Canada, in the airplane, there are many K-pop songs, but for Life, they only have Attitude. So I heard Attitude for 16 hours. And now I really like this song. Okay,
I'm afraid that it will be too salty.
Good, but it's a bit too hot. That finishes? I'm full now. Okay, I'm going to take a shower. Bye bye.
说嗨，
嗨，
哪里有想我吗？
想你，非常想你。
真的吗？